In today's video, I'll teach you how to create SaleSmartly account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in app.salesmartly.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official login interface of SaleSmartly. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. If you want to create the account for yourself, click on this option sign up for free that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, what you have to do is enter your account name. Click on the field of account name and enter the account name that you would like to use. Now create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Now after you do that, if you have the invitation code, you'll have to enter it over here. Now what you have to do is check on this option. I have read and agree service agreement, privacy policy and user code of conduct. Now click on this option, create a free account that you can see on the screen. Or instead of doing all that, you can also create the account with WhatsApp, Google, WeChat, Telegram and Facebook if you want. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this, you'll easily be able to create the SaleSmartly account. So that is how you create SaleSmartly account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.